We would like to clarify persistent reports that former Speaker Martin Romualdez had purchased a house and lot in a plush subdivision in Makati City using the Discayas as front in the said sale. If verified to be true, this could possibly establish a direct connection between the former Speaker and the Discayas. In this regard, we may invite the former owner of the property, at the very least, yung direct connection or link niya with the Discayas. Kasi hindi lang ganun, hindi naman siguro nag-ahente si Discaya. No? Kung siya yung front, siya yung lumalabas na bumili, ganun na lang kalaki ang tiwala, kung totoo ha, ni former Speaker kay Discaya. So hindi ganun kababaw yung kanilang yung kanilang samahan.
So, ibig sabihin, sir, kung may ganun silang connection, mas malalim pa yung ibang possible transactions nila.
Correct. That is the implication. I'm not saying na kasin stone na talagang involved na talaga si former Speaker. At least we have something to start with.